Can we have a drum roll?
Yeah, we got a drum roll.
Double drum.
And our location today is the Macy's Day Parade with a severe wind warning.
Oh boy, this is exciting.
Here we go.
We go now to the Macy's Day Parade with a severe wind warning.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Macy's Day Parade. My name is not important because no one ever watches this thing. If you look behind me, we're getting the parade undergoing the parade with everyone's favorite Peanuts character that no one remembers the name to because he's always the first balloon. Enjoy!
Woo! Yeah, that dog. Or is that the boy? I can't even tell. I'm blind.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep this parade we're gonna keep going we have a performance from the latest and greatest adaptation of a Broadway musical. Here it is, the two-man showing of Hamilton.
Da, 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 da. Oh God, guys, I forgot the words.
Oh crap!
Lafayette.
What?
Lafayette.
Wow, that was easily one of the worst performances I've ever seen at the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Off to a
Thank
great
you.
start, everyone. Oh.
Thank you. I wasn't.
I don't know why we
lip-syncing.
just threw that in the middle of the balloons. Usually that happens before.
It's been a weird day. We are actually getting a breaking weather alert from our local weather person in the studio. A local weather person. Are you
Hi,
there?
yes, this is Stormy Daniels.
What can you tell us about this updating of the weather report?
Well, it's just come in that we have a severe wind warning coming right down Macy's Street.
The whole building is shaking.
Wow.
Can you believe it?
No, I can't. Buildings aren't supposed to do that.
Oh, I said it was severe, didn't I?
You did. You
Severe. Like my child's cold, Stormy.
I feel like that's too much information, Janet.
You're right. It is. There's a lot of mucus.
Why'd you bring your kid to the station?
Because it's Thanksgiving and you have to give thanks for these little shits.
I guess that's a fair point.
Thank you. What can you foresee happening with this wind warning as it comes through the parade?
A lot of
nothing
wind.
good.
A lot of wind.
Yes.
Things are gonna move, probably.
Okay.
Things are gonna blow around a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys very much. We'll check back in with you later.
Or will you? I'm
Yeah.
blowing away.
Okay.
Oh no! Stormy Daniels is caught in the storm!
Well, maybe we'll get back to
Oh,
it. Maybe we won't.
no.
We'll have to see. Back to this lovely parade with my co-host Sheila.
Yes, hello. Not important. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. So how are you enjoying the parade so far?
I'm enjoying it so much. There's so many balloons that are way over my head.
Oh, that's funny because they're in the air.
Wow.
So, what balloon can we expect to see coming around the corner in just over a minute?
You can expect to see the balloon from the Wimpy Kid book series.
That's so exciting.
We go now to around the corner. All right, everyone.
Okay.
We gotta pull this balloon.
Okay. Which
If
balloon?
it's the last thing we do.
Okay. Whatever you do not let go of the string.
Why are you telling me what to do, Devin?
I'm sorry.
Come
sir.
on,
I'm
Devin.
the senior balloon puller up here. I've been doing this for 45 years.
Yes, sir.
Come on. He knows the names of the Charlie Brown characters. We can't do this right now.
All
okay?
right, now we're just gonna pull this on 3. 1, 2, 3, heave! All right, 1, 2, 3, heave! Devin, you gotta put more into that.
I'm trying so
Devin,
hard,
you
sir.
gotta believe, son.
I believe in Greg Heffley. I do.
Oh,
sir.
is that his name? I only know the Charlie Brown characters. 1, 2, 3, heave!
How did we get around the
Devin,
corner,
your
sir?
grandmother can pull harder than that.
I thought he was
Just working
supposed to
the
be
other side of the balloon,
wimpy.
okay? Okay. I'm
Devin's grandmother, how you doing back there?
doing pretty great there.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God, it's flying away! Don't let go, whatever you do.
Wait, my feet are off the ground, sir.
Might as well, Devin.
Oh, we're caught in a tree.
Well, there's a tree in the middle of the city.
It's the only tree.
Well, thank goodness for that then, huh? How do we get down?
We go to the ground just below them. All right, guys, we're just going to chop down this tree. It's the last one in New York. We're just going to...
This one is X.
Sir, no, why are we doing this in the middle of a parade?
It's the best time.
Okay.
All right, we're going to chop this in one swoop on three.
You
One,
down there?
Swoop.
one,
We're in the tree,
two,
sir.
three.
Ah!
We go back to the sky. Oh my God!
Oh, Grandma!
Oh, I think Grandma just let go on the ground. I think it was a smart time to break that rule.
Grandma!
Well,
Did you hear that explosion?
I guess we're just flying away. I don't even know what that was. You all right, Devin?
I'm doing
You were pretty
all right,
close to the
sir.
explosion.
You all right, Stephanie?
Oh, I'm feeling just fine, thank you.
Are we
Wow.
supposed to let go, sir?
If you want to plummet to your death, go for
Oh,
it.
we are very high, sir.
Yeah, I guess we're about a good
surprised
17,000 feet.
As far as the balloon hasn't just suffocated us yet, unless it's still
This is
blown up.
It's a top quality balloon.
Yes,
I was told that these balloons.
I built
were
it myself.
What? Wow.
it's a
Really?
wimpy kid, but it's a durable balloon.
I was told that these balloons could make it to like the top of the atmosphere before exploding.
Oh, well beyond that. This will get to the sun before it pops.
Oh wow.
We
You
could
did a good
walk on
job.
the sun.
Yeah. Or we could walk the moon. I don't know.
Ooh.
I heard that's a good band.
We go back to the parade. Wow, I'm just noticing the Wimpy Kid balloon never came around the corner. I wonder what happened.
I don't know. Janet, are you still over in the news station?
Yes, I am still in the news station.
Can you walk outside and let us know what's up with the Greg Heffley balloon?
I don't know what's up, but I can tell you what sure is down. That balloon.
It's still on the ground.
Yes. They chopped down the tree, but that just kind of crushed some of the people holding the balloon in the process.
Did Grandma Perkins make it all right?
Well, the Perkins restaurants where I grew up, they all got shut down due to food poisoning, so I'm not expecting anything good from that.
If the balloon's still on the ground, where is it?
Dun, dun, dun.
I have a feeling it might not be on the ground.
Janet, you need to go back inside.
You're right.
I think Janet's been drinking again.
It's a little windy.
It's only 10 a.m.
It's Thanksgiving.
Well, if you just... Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Look up in the sky there.
Is
What?
it
It's
a
a...
bird?
It's a... No, it's a plane.
It's
What?
No, it's the Diary of a Wimpy Kid balloon.
Wow.
17,000 feet in the
it's
air.
impressive. We can still see it at that
His
distance.
diary is so far away.
How are we supposed to do something about that?
I genuinely don't know what we could do.
We could release another balloon to go grab onto the Wimpy Kid and pull him back down.
Janet,
Janet,
That's
the
brilliant,
best
but-
idea I've ever heard. Let's do it.
Thank you.
We should use the Hello Kitty balloon.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah,
I love Hello
okay,
Kitty.
Okay. Let's call down to the people who are running the Hello Kitty balloon. Boop, boop, boop. Ring, 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 ring.
Yeah, hello.
Are you the one in charge of the Hello Kitty balloon?
Yes, but I am unfortunately currently 17,000 feet in the air.
Who should we talk to about getting the Hello Kitty balloon also that high in the air?
You would want to call my co-pilot, Devin. He's right next to me.
Is there anyone still on the ground?
Yeah, that would be my daughter, Patricia.
Okay.
I'm Patricia.
I'll give her. a
Patricia,
call.
what are you already doing on the line?
I like to listen.
Okay, Patricia.
All right, I guess I'll hang up. Bye.
Okay, Patricia.
Dad.
What we need you to do is we need you to let the Hello Kitty balloon go so that it can go rescue the other balloon.
I don't think I can do that.
I believe in you.
I don't know.
Okay, well, let us know when you know, and we'll see what we can do in the meantime, okay?
Do you think I can do it?
I
do
think you can do it.
I don't
know what
know.
Stormy Daniels thinks. He's flying away right now, but I think you can do it.
I mean, my dad usually helps me out with this stuff, but he's stuck 17,000 in the air.
Follow his
At even
dreams.
feet. Oh, I
Go get
think
him.
I will.
Go rescue him. You can be on the balloon when it takes off.
I think I'm going to. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
What?
oh, Patricia, it's me, Stormy Daniels.
What are you doing here, sir?
I just blew across the entire city.
Well,
Do you
thank
know where my
goodness for
dad is?
I heard he's about 17,000 feet up. We gotta go save him.
We gotta go get him.
We gotta assemble a team.
A dynamic team.
Hello. I'm here to help.
Oh, Eugene, good to see you.
It's been a long time, but I think I can still hold on to balloons pretty well.
All right.
Perfect.
Well, I think that's a pretty good team.
All right.
With us three, we can get up into the air.
All right.
Okay, so are we just gonna to grab onto the Hello Kitty balloon and then just let her go?
Fellas, we're gonna turn this Hello Kitty balloon to a Goodbye Kitty balloon.
Wow, what a joke. Oh, what a good pun.
All right, here we
Here we
go.
go.
1, 2, 3. It's not going anywhere.
What if we jump first?
I think
Yeah,
we just have to wait for wind.
it's very.
Oh, there it is. All right.
We're going. We're going.
We go now back to the parade. Back to the parade. Okay, it looks like the Hello Kitty balloon has just gone goodbye, Kitty, and is flying away.
That was a
Oh,
funny
what a
joke.
good joke.
It's heading up. It's about 5,000 feet,
6,000,
7,000,
10,000,
12,000.
19,000. Oh, they've overshot
Oh
it.
no!
They overshot it.
The Greg Heffley balloon is just hanging there at 17,000. It hasn't moved, but now the Hello Kitty has appeared to have gone beyond it.
Well, there's only one thing we can do now.
Send Stormy Daniels.
Stormy Daniels is already up there. We gotta send a rocket ship.
We gotta send a rocket ship. Okay.
This is the best parade ever.
We go now to NASA.
We are getting a weird call from the Macy's Day Parade.
Oh God, what is it this time?
Apparently, 2 of their balloons are flying away.
Again?
Greg Heffley is at 17,000 feet.
Not Greg Heffley, no.
Goodbye Kitty has apparently reached 19,000 feet.
Goodbye.
and is
You
still
mean
going
hello,
up.
Kitty?
Not anymore, I don't.
Oh wow, what a good joke.
What should we do about that, sir? They are requesting immediate assistance.
Well, I think we just gotta send a rocket and pop them.
Well, I mean, the closest rocket we have is in Cape Canaveral in Florida. It's going to take some time to get up to New York.
Oh, I have a brother who lives in Cape Canaveral. I can just talk him through flying the rocket.
Okay, sure.
'Cause
Wait,
for some reason, there's no other astronauts there.
hold on. Pop the balloons. There are good old citizens on those balloons. How are we supposed to save them at 17 and 19,000 feet in the air?
We get a big old net and just catch them.
This is why you're a rocket scientist, John.
Absolutely.
So,
Call your brother.
Yeah, call your brother and get this. Show him
I'm
the
calling
road.
him now.
Thank you.
It's a long,
He's got a long phone number.
long number. Got a long area code in Florida.
I don't think he's home.
Hello. You have reached
Oh,
the
no.
voicemail of John's brother. Please leave a message after the beep.
It's a long delay for that beep. Oh, there it is. Oh, John's brother. It's me, John. We need you. We need you, man. I know you're there. I know you're just screening your calls like you always do. You gotta save America.
Save
To-
America, you say?
Oh, John's brother. It's me, John.
Hey, John, it's John's brother.
Oh, how you doing, John's brother? It's me, John.
I'm doing all right. I was just listening to your voicemail, and I decided to answer the phone.
All right. Well, you know that space station over in Cape Canaveral?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to go there and fly a plane.
Fly-
No, not even a plane, a rocket.
A
Sorry,
rocket.
sorry,
even
it's
better.
Thanksgiving. I'm a little drunk.
That's okay.
It is
where
10
am I
a.m.
flying this rocket to?
You're flying it all the way to New York, and you're gonna pop some balloons. The Greg Heffley one specifically,
Oh,
and
no, not Greg Heffley.
Hello Kitty, but now it's more like Goodbye Kitty.
Wow, what a great joke.
I know, right? I just thought of it.
Okay, I will get right on to that, John.
All right, well, call me when you're at the space station. I'm gonna talk you through flying that thing. All right.
All right, I'll give you a call.
Make sure you call me.
I will.
Don't
I
you
will.
dare fly that rocket without
Godspeed,
calling
John's
me. And of
brother.
course, Godspeed, John's brother.
Okay, thank you, John.
Bye. I love you.
Bye, love you too.
That was kind of cute.
I know. Hello.
Hello, I'm already at the space station.
Wow, that
I am
was-
ready to go.
That was very
Wow.
fast.
Do you live next door to the
I
space
live
station?
inside the rocket.
All right. All right.
long
Now
story.
You're
just
telling me you won't even house your brother?
listen.
I can hear you.
It's very expensive. All right, John's brother, just get in that rocket.
I'm already in.
All right, now tell me what you see in front of you.
I see the blue sky as I am facing upwards.
All right, now you should see 2 buttons in front of you. One is red and one is blue.
Yes.
All right, now now don't push the button. And just push the button.
Okay.
John's
All
brother,
right,
did
is that
you
clear?
hear that?
Is that clear?
Can you repeat it for me one
Just
more time?
don't push the button.
Okay.
And push the button.
Okay. There's a lever over here.
Oh, well, definitely the lever.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna the lever.
Oh,
John.
perfect.
I
Oh,
need you to the lever real
I think
good.
I think you're breaking up. Oh no.
John. Well, damn it. Okay. I can do this. He told me not to the button. He told me to the button, and he told me to the lever. I don't actually know what any of that means. So I'm gonna take this lever. I think I broke it. That is okay. I think it's working. This is okay. Okay. There are 2 buttons here, red and blue. I am going to push both of them in 3, 2, 1.
We have liftoff.
Oh shit, where am I going again? You never told me. I'm gonna go to the left a little bit.
John, does your brother know we can watch everything he's doing right now?
Yeah, sorry, I was just busy making rocket sounds.
I thought it was gas, so it's fine.
Should we let him know that he's going to New York? Should I try calling him again?
I think we should do something. I don't know what's coming out of his mouth right now.
Why does he have such a long number? Oh my god.
He's in space now.
Hello?
Oh, good. It finally connects somehow when you're in outer space.
Oh, well, yeah.
Why are you going to outer space?
He has
I'm in a
Verizon.
rocket.
You're supposed to be going to New York City.
Oh, you never told me that.
I'm pretty sure I did, but all right.
Okay, I'll try and turn the ship around.
All right.
I don't know how well I can do that.
All right, well, all you have to do is just hit the...
No. John? John?
This is why you don't get AT&T. I told you to get Verizon.
Okay.
I like T-Mobile.
Here I go. I'm gonna try and turn this thing around. He told me to hit something.
Oh, please, God, to get this right.
I'm just gonna hit the
Oh,
console over
please,
here.
God. Please, God. Oh, no. Oh, and...
Oh, he hit the sad
and
puppy
there
on
he-
board.
Why did he just hit a... Why is there a puppy on board?
I know. He's been living there. Who knows?
God save him.
Uh,
We go now to heaven. What was that? I have to go save someone?
We return back to the rocket that is currently trying to turn around in space.
This isn't working.
What
The fuck is this? You hear this, Steven?
Arf?
There's a bright light ahead of us, and it's not the sun. The sun's behind us.
John's brother!
Yeah.
It's me, God.
Oh,
I'm here to save you.
thank you.
All right, let me just grab your rocket ship here.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
And I'm just gonna give you a little love tap all the way to New York. Here
Okay,
you go.
yeah.
I love you.
Thank you.
Oh, bye.
What just happened to this
What's that?
rocket ship, John?
Was that God?
Looked nothing like Morgan Freeman.
I'm a little disappointed.
I am too.
I like that he entered to the Rocky theme, though.
Yeah,
that was pretty cool.
That was pretty bitchin'.
Though he looked
that was
nothing
pretty
like
bitchin'.
Sylvester Stallone either.
Yeah,
He was just like a ball of light.
yeah.
It was weird. It's not what I expected.
With a pretty nice choice of music.
Yeah. We go now to the Greg Heffley balloon. All right, you kids. I'm honestly very impressed you've managed to hold on this long.
Sir, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Well, do it.
Devin, you can't do that right now.
Oh, well,
Oh man.
that's gonna just hit terminal velocity. Someone's dead down there.
Oh.
You told me to, sir.
I know,
There are
but
more glamorous ways to die.
I'd rather a stranger die than you, son.
That meant so
Say-
much to me.
Sailor Joe, is this your son?
No, it's just an expression people call someone son.
Okay,
And
yeah,
he-
right.
does he look anything like me?
No,
Exactly.
not at all.
Did
but
you mean that, sir?
What?
That,
I honestly don't remember what I said.
okay, never mind then.
All right, good talk.
So
How you doing back there, girl whose name escapes me?
I'm doing fine. My arms are a little sore, but I did arm day yesterday.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
well,
so-
if you can like switch over and like hold on with your legs, and that's what I'm doing now.
I saw The
sir.
Greatest Showman. I think I could do the acrobatic stuff.
sir.
All right.
It looks like there's a rocket entering the atmosphere.
Oh my God.
Whoa, would you look at that?
Is that
It does.
John's brother?
It is.
Hey, John's brother.
Who's John's brother?
brother.
Hey. Oh wait, he's coming at us very quickly.
Oh.
I think he's going to. Oh! We go now to the Hello Kitty balloon.
Oh wow! Did you see how close that rocket was to
Oh my God, yeah, that was crazy.
Oh my god, my father is on the balloon.
Oh,
Well,
right.
not anymore. More like goodbye, father.
That was a good one.
I know, it's a great joke.
I didn't think it was funny at all.
Okay
Your dad's probably dead.
I mean, what are we supposed to do? We're still floating.
So we're up here for nothing.
Well, it looks like that rocket ship is turning around.
How?
You know, you're pretty
Wow, it
observant
is.
for a weather woman.
Maybe they're coming to. Well, thank you for establishing that I am indeed a woman. Someone called me a man earlier. I don't know who it was. I was very offended.
I don't really think he was paying attention.
Well, that rocket is
It's
coming
back.
towards us pretty quickly. Wait, is that
Is
that John's brother?
It's John's brother.
Oh,
John's brother.
he's here to save us. John's brother.
thank you,
Hey,
John,
just
brother.
pull over right now.
Shit. I just
Your brother just killed so many people.
I know. Good God, John's brother. What do you want?
John?
Yeah, it's me, John.
I have to tell you something.
Do you have to tell me that you just killed like 6 people?
No.
Actually, we don't know if they're dead yet. They're still falling.
Do you have to tell me you just sent 6 people plummeting to their doom?
No, John.
What other news could you possibly have for me?
This better be about that
Steven
puppy.
the dog kind of just puked on my lap.
That's the news you have.
Yes.
We'll deal with it when you get back.
Okay, I am headed back out into
Just
the
clean it up.
atmosphere.
Just clean it up. I think there's like we have some spray under the.
Under
the dashboard there.
I'm leaving atmosphere. The vomit is lifting
Oh,
itself
perfect.
off of my
Perfect.
clothing.
Then you're fine.
Yeah, it's now. Oh, it was in my face.
All right.
Oh, that was weird.
That's really gross to watch.
All right. You know, John's brother. I'm gonna hang up now.
Oh, how do I get back? How do?
He's on his own.
Yeah.
Damn it!
We go back to the Macy's Day Parade.
In a weird turn of events, it appears John's brother is flying a rocket and punched its way through the.
It appears 6 people are plummeting from the sky.
Wow, we really lost control of this parade.
I'm the other host.
I thought you was the other host.
I'm the third one that no one cares about.
Oh, you're the one who's down like in the field.
Yeah.
What are you doing in the booth?
I just felt like coming up here. This is very windy outside.
out.
All right, I'll just
Well, look at that. The
I'll just go
wind
outside and whoa!
Oh, there he
In
goes.
other news, here comes the Spider-Man balloon.
Oh wow! Look at that balloon go. It is being blown so hard by the wind that it is actually trying to crawl along the sides of the building like an actual Spider-Man.
That's pretty cool.
But that group of 4-year-olds is holding it down like a bunch of champs.
Oh, look at them go! That is actually the preschool of the local Macy's Day Store kindergarten. It's actually kind of like the employees kind of kindergarten. Any employees that need to have their child looked at, looked over while they're working. It's actually that preschool. Those are all local children, and they're doing great jobs.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
I'm back, by the way.
Thank you.
Oh, well, I'll let you stay in for
Well,
now.
would you look at that? The 6 people falling got a gust of wind, and now they're riding it like a wave.
Oh, wow, that is
We joined the
glorious.
6 people in the sky. Whoa, fancy meeting you guys here.
Oh my god, Dad.
Yeah, what's going on?
Oh my god.
Hey, kid, shut up for a second.
My name's Eugene.
I don't care.
Okay.
I wanna talk to my daughter.
Save you.
You came to save me?
You mean you didn't mean to save us? No.
Well, I don't really see how sending a balloon up in the air to get another balloon would have worked.
I thought I would fight fire with fire.
She was just doing what you would have done.
Shut up, Eugene. I don't care.
Okay.
I mean, sir, it is true. It is something you would have done.
Listen, would have and did do are two different things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how
You
I got
can't
here.
prove that I would have done it.
I mean,
All right.
didn't you write it in your diary yesterday? That you
All right, I don't know why
You
you're
have a
reading my
diary?
diary.
You gave it to me.
That
You
is
have a
true, but that
diary?
doesn't mean yes, I do. Just because I gave you my
Sarah's
diary.
What lies inside? Oh, look at that. Look what's in your pocket.
Oh my!
I found a diary.
Don't. Oh, this is so embarrassing.
Dear-
Read page 12.
Oh, not
Okay.
anything but page 12.
Okay.
Read it out loud.
Dear diary,
Oh, no.
today
Oh,
oh my god.
oh. You might as well say it.
I don't think I can.
You might as well.
Yeah. What does it say?
Dear diary,
Just get all my secrets out there.
today I smelled something a little fishy, and being the Sailor Joe that I am, I went to go investigate it. And when I did, I found my prized bass that I caught when I was 7 years old
Yep.
with my grandfather's uncle's son's daughter.
One of my greatest memories. Keep reading.
Lying on the ground,
Yep.
torn to shreds,
Yep.
everywhere and everywhere.
Yep.
And
That's it. That's the one.
my dog was using it
He sure
As-
was.
as a toy,
Oh, God.
like the kind you would find at Spencer's.
Just like the ones you'd find at Spencer's.
And I don't feel like reading the rest.
I think you should.
Sir? That was beautiful.
Oh, no, there's more.
Oh.
So,
In conclusion,
in conclusion, I found inspiration from my dog, and now I'm using my old fish as a sex toy.
yep, that's my story.
Oh,
And
sir.
now everyone knows.
That sort
Way
of...
to go.
Just
I
as-
hope you're happy.
Just as exhilarating to read the second time.
I
as
hope
it
you're
was the
happy.
first time.
Your father is an embarrassment.
Can we go back to the news reporters in the studio?
Oh, it looks like there's a really sweet father-daughter moment happening
Oh my
up there.
god, they're passing around a book.
I wonder what it is.
It's starting to rain. I think they're crying. I hope everyone's okay up there.
Well, it's just must be very emotional up there. They're plummeting to their dooms. They're all definitely going to die unless a team of firemen with a large net shows up very soon.
Oh, look, there they are.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
We go now to the fire truck.
We don't all have to make the sound,
Oh.
Dave. Only one of us has to make the sound. I call
Fine.
dibs.
Fine, Jeremy. Hey, why does Tina get to do it?
No, only one of us gets to make the sound, Tina. I call dibs.
Maybe if you weren't so drunk, you could put a sentence together.
Hey, it's Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving.
And we're working.
You know what?
But it's Thanksgiving.
And we're working because someone put us on the schedule. Who put us on the schedule? Huh? Huh, Dave? Huh? Just put me on the schedule? It looks like you put me on the schedule.
Hey,
I wonder
Tina,
why it's here.
Tina, you realize I have the power to fire you, right?
Oh, really?
You're fired.
Get it? Funny
You're fired,
because
Tina.
we're firemen? I get it.
You're
Ha ha ha.
fired.
That's funny. That's funny.
Your,
Take me off the
your
schedule.
employment is terminated. Your employment is terminated.
Terminated? Like Arnold terminated? Terminator? I'll be back.
I'll put it in terms you'll understand. Hello, kitty, more like goodbye, kitty.
Oh, what a
Rude.
good joke.
Rude.
I know, it's a great joke.
Hey.
Wee woo.
All right, hold on. Just for 1 minute here, let's just put our differences aside because there are 6 people plummeting to their doom, and we
Yeah.
need to catch
Yeah,
them.
I'm trying to save them. Like
Okay.
a
All right,
superhero.
let's get the net.
Okay.
All right, just.
No, I am caught in the net.
Oh my God, just.
Oh, you.
I'm just gonna pull
And I'm
really
the one
hard.
that gets yelled at.
I'm just gonna pull really
Okay,
hard.
okay.
1, 2, 3. All right, good.
Oh, my back.
All right, just get up.
Okay.
Just get up.
Oh. Oh. Wow.
right,
that
can we do
sobered me
this?
up a little bit.
Can we do this, please?
Yeah.
Please?
Yes.
All right,
Please.
Yes,
just
sir.
spread out.
Okay.
Spread
Can I
out
still
like
make
Spread
the
out.
sound?
Spread out like peanut butter.
spread out like one of those big parachutes in elementary school gym class where you.
Get underneath it?
Yeah.
Are we getting underneath
All right.
it?
No, we're not getting
not getting
underneath
underneath
it.
the
We're not getting
parachute.
underneath it.
Okay, you said like the parachute. I got excited.
Oh my god.
That's why I say
Okay.
like peanut butter.
When we're done here, I'm firing you as well.
Yeah, that's a pun.
So I'm fired. I'm
Yes.
fired. Oh, so then why am I here? Why am I here helping you? I
Fine.
don't have a job.
Go.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go.
Go.
I'm gonna walk right now.
All right.
Okay, bye, Gina.
Oh.
Okay, sir, it's
Well,
just the two of us.
it's just the two of us. She
Let's
blew
go.
away.
We're gonna have to hold this net tight as people start plummeting into it.
All right.
Oh my god, Dad, I think they're holding up a net.
It looks like they're holding up a net.
Aim for the net.
Honestly, at this point, I'd rather die with what you know about me now.
And don't miss the
So,
net.
I'm just gonna miss the net. If that's.
No,
Dad,
don't
no.
miss the net.
Dad, no.
How can he hear me?
I'm really drunk.
Well, we've been falling, so we get closer and closer to the ground every time.
We're still like several thousand feet in the air. I'm amazed.
Actually,
you
we
can
are
hear me.
about 9,724 feet
Okay,
in the air.
Eugene.
Oh my God, Eugene! I
Okay.
hate you so much,
9,742.
Eugene.
9,741.
We're falling very
Are you
slowly.
reading that on your phone?
Yeah, I actually have really good reception up here. I have Verizon.
Oh, wow, that's really
Yeah.
great. Can I see
Yeah.
that phone for a second?
Dad, you're just mad because you
That
have
phone's
AT&T.
gonna miss the net.
That's okay. I have another one right here.
All right.
Wow.
All right, my beloved daughter, listen to me. I'm gonna miss the net just because I literally cannot go on living with what you know about me. I just need you to promise me one thing.
And what is that?
In the future, do not end up with Eugene, whatever you do.
Okay, Dad,
All right.
I won't. Even though he uses Verizon.
All right, peace out.
All right.
I
You
can't.
missed the net. Oh well. Sir,
Oh.
what do we do with that one? He missed the net.
Oh, it looks like you missed the net.
we'll just,
oh, look at me, I'm back. Looks like
Just
you missed the
clean
net.
him up eventually, scrape him off the ground.
The rest of you guys don't miss the net. They've already landed, haven't they?
They hit the net. We're fine.
Okay.
Don't worry. We go now to 20 years in the future at the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Can you believe I haven't aged a day?
I certainly can't.
Teeth.
Well, we are here today joined by two very special guests who 20 years ago plummeted from 19,000 feet in the air to the ground right here. And fun enough, they're married now. Isn't that crazy? So please welcome Eugene and, well, her name just escapes me. But she can, Patricia.
It's Patricia.
Yeah.
Eugene and Patricia,
Hello.
it's so nice to have you here.
It's so nice to be here.
But
what's
Patricia,
your
we
name?
we understand there's a
Okay.
bit of a sad part to the story that your father didn't make the fall.
You're right.
He missed the net.
He missed the net.
He chose to miss
We all
the net.
remember when his body graphically exploded in front of all of us.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm laughing about it. I just handle
Nah.
I handle death weird.
Everything's
I'm
funny
like
in the
that
past.
that guy Logan Paul. Remember him?
I'd rather not. I'd rather not.
All right. Well, I'm sure wherever your father is, he's very proud of you.
He's very, very happy.
We
with
go
this
back to
fish.
heaven. God damn it.
It's okay.
Oh, sorry, God, I didn't mean to
It's okay.
say that with you right here.
It's okay.
I gave her one job.
Don't worry. I was able to save John's brother.
Oh, that's good. Hey, John's brother, how you doing?
Hey.
Wow, we sound very similar.
We do.
We go back now to the wedding.
I promise to always like you and to always high five you whenever I can.
I like high fives.
That's good. And I promise to not use all of the data. And when I do, I promise that I won't yell at you too much and blame it on you.
Thank you. Verizon's a little weird with their
you're
data
welcome.
plans sometimes.
Yeah, well, we're not gonna switch. So
No, of course not.
yeah, okay,
This
good.
is clearly the best.
All right, perfect.
This just in, a severe wind warning coming in for this Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Oh no, here we go again.
And see.